If you're trying to decide between Sentinel Mouthguards and Remi, I want to help you make the right decision. Now, before we get started, I want to be completely transparent. I own Sentinel Mouthguards, so yes, I'm naturally proud of what we've built. But I also think Remi has done some really good things for the custom night guard industry. This isn't going to be one of those videos where I tell you everyone else is terrible and we're perfect. Instead, I want to walk you through the things that I personally would compare if I were buying a custom night guard today, because honestly, I think those things matter a lot more than a brand name. First, both companies are making custom night guards. Both are manufactured in the United States. Both are custom made from impressions of your teeth, and they're both a huge step up from the boil and bite guards that you buy at the drugstore. So if you're deciding between these two companies, you're already looking in the right direction. The question becomes, which one is a better fit for you? The first thing I'd compare is material transparency. This is actually something that I'm pretty passionate about. If I'm putting something in my mouth every single night for 8+ hours, I want to know exactly what's in it. At Sentinel, we openly publish the exact materials we use to manufacture every guard. For example, our hard guards are made from Keystone Proform splint material. Our soft guards are made from Keystone Proform Night Guard EVA. We also disclose that they're BPA-free, phthalate-free, latex-free, acrylic-free, PVC-free, basically everything that I think customers deserve to know. Remi also provides safety information and explains that they use premium dental grade materials. They just don't publicly identify the exact material manufacturer. Neither approach is necessarily wrong. I simply believe that more transparency helps customers make informed decisions. The next thing I'd compare, turnaround time. This one is pretty simple. If your night guard just cracked or your dog decided it looks like a chew toy, waiting a couple of extra weeks might matter. At Sentinel, most guards are completed within 3 to 5 business days after we receive acceptable impressions. Remi's standard turnaround time is generally longer, although they do offer a rush option if you need it faster. For some people that won't matter at all, for others it absolutely will. Here's something that confuses a lot of people: the difference between a fit guarantee and a product warranty. These are actually two completely different things. A fit guarantee covers whether the guard fits correctly when you first receive it. A warranty covers what happens after you've actually been wearing it. At Sentinel, we offer a 100-day satisfaction guarantee. Then our guards continue to be protected by product warranties depending on the type of guard. So for a soft guard, it carries a 6-month warranty. Hard and hybrid guards carry a 1-year warranty. Remi offers a 45-night perfect fit guarantee, which helps if the guard doesn't fit correctly initially. So when you're comparing companies, just make sure that you're comparing those two things separately. Another difference, product selection. This is probably where Sentinel stands apart the most. Most companies focus almost entirely on traditional night guards. We make those too. But over the years, we've added products because customers kept asking for solutions to different problems. For example, our no-show day guard. It's designed for people who clench their teeth during the day instead of only while they're sleeping. It has a much lower profile. It's more discreet while they're talking or working. We also make tongue-in-cheek biting guards, sports mouth guards, retainers, whitening trays, and of course, traditional night guards. If all you need is a standard night guard, both companies can help. If you need something a little more specialized, that's where Sentinel has more options. One thing I really appreciate about Remi, they've done a great job making custom night guards more accessible. Ordering online is simple, their website is easy to navigate, and they've introduced a lot of people to the idea that you don't necessarily have to spend hundreds of dollars at a dental office to get a custom night guard. I think that's been really good for the industry. So which company should you choose? Honestly, it depends on what matters most to you. If you value complete material transparency, a faster turnaround, a longer warranty protection, or specialized products like the daytime clenching guard or our tongue-in-cheek biting guards, I think Sentinel offers some meaningful advantages. If you prefer Remi's ordering experience or their subscription program where you get a fresh night guard every 6 months, I completely understand why someone might choose them. Neither company is the right choice for everyone, and that's okay. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that you're protecting your teeth. Untreated grinding and clenching can lead to worn enamel, chipped teeth, jaw discomfort, and expensive dental work down the road. Whether you choose Sentinel, Remi, or another reputable custom night guard company, I'm glad you're doing your research before you're buying. If you'd like to see a detailed side-by-side comparison of everything we've talked about today, including warranties, materials, turnaround times, and product options, I've linked the full article in the description below. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about custom night guards or teeth grinding, leave them in the comments. I read as many as I can, and I'd be happy to help.